Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the simplification of Boolean expression using variable entered method, which is also known as VEM, variable entered map method. I'll show you this simplification procedure using some examples, and I will also give you the steps behind it. So let's take the first example. Here we have this example. F is a function depends on min terms 1, 2, 4, 5. First we have to make this two table. This is same as K-map. This is 1, this is 1. This depends on, this is min term 2. So here we have putting 2. This is 4 and 5. This is same as K-map. You don't want to worry about this thing. Now for making variable entered map, you have to do the following, which I am going to show you. You have to write F as like this. You have A bar, B bar. This is for A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar. Then you have to write C bar F, CF, or A bar B. Here A bar B, A bar B. Again you write C bar F, CF, or A B bar. This is for A B bar. Then write C bar F plus CF. Then write A B. This is for A and B. Then write C bar F or CF. Now write F as A bar B bar. Here you can see that first you write C bar. Then here you can see that this is C bar. When we get C bar, then F is 0. So put here 0. Then this is C, and here we have 1. So put C and 1. Here we are putting the value of F here. Or A bar B, C bar. F is 1, so put 1. Then C, here F is 0, so put here 0. Or A B bar, put C bar. Here F is 1 for both the cases, so put C 1 and 1. Then A B C bar, here 0 0, so put 0 0. So this should be C 0. So it will be something look like this. C bar and 0, this will be 0, and C bar and 1, it will be C. So put here C. Then A bar B. Here this is 0, this will be C bar. Then A B bar. Here this is C bar 1 and C 1, so put C bar and C. Then we have A B. This both things are 0, so put here 1 0 in bracket. So we have this function here. Now you can get this function in a very easy way. Instead of doing all these things, you can get this directly. I am going to show you how to do this. So you see, we can get these things also like this. You write A B C 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So you see 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now here you can see that when C is 0, then F is 0. When C is 1, F is 1. So this is A bar for A bar B bar. So first put A bar B bar, then put a bracket here, and you can see that this f depends on the value of c. When c is 0, f is 0. When c is 1, f is 1. So put here c1. Then for the next part here, a bar b. Here when c is 0, f is 1. When c is 1, f is 0. So f depends on c bar. So put here c bar. 0, 1, 1. When c is 1, then it's 0. So put here c bar. Then here we have a b bar. When c is 0, f is 1. When c is 1, f is 1. So in both the cases, f is 1, independent of c. So you directly put here 1. Then we have a b. Here c is 0, f is 0. C is 1, f is 0. That is, f does not depend on c. It depends on here. So you have to put 0. Now, so this is similar with this. Only you have to put here the or operator here. That is, f is equal to a bar b bar c here, or you put here a bar b c bar or a b bar. Here one can also be written as c or c bar or a b 0. So you get the same thing here. This is same as this. So this is very easy way. Instead of doing all these things, you can do directly like this. Now from this function, you have to make the variable entered map first. So I am going to show you how to make this map. This is almost similar as K-map. The map plotting method is similar as K-map. So here you can see we have if you make a K-map, then you will get a 3 variable K-map, but here we will get only 2 variable K-map. This is the advantage of variable entered map over K-map. If we have 3 variable, then we get 2 variable K-map in 2 variable map in variable entered method. But in K-map you will get a 3 variable. You have to make a 3 variable, but now I have to make only 2 variable. A b 0 1 0 1. Now here you see when a bar b bar comes, then we have c. So here a bar b bar. So put here c. When a bar b comes, we have c bar. So a bar b, this box. So put c bar. Then a b bar, this box, c or c bar. Then we have 0 here when a and b both comes. So put here 0. So we have complete this map. How to make this map, we have complete this step. Now I am going to show you how to group all these things. In K-map we group ones. We make group of ones. Now here we have to make the group of these variables. I am going to show you. Before going to show you how to group these things, I want to give one more example of making this thing. How to make this thing directly by taking one more example like this, where we have don't care also. Here we do not have don't care, but sometime we may have don't care here. Then how to get this thing? I'm going to show you this thing first, then I will go to the next step of grouping this thing, how to group this thing. So here we have this example. We have this function dependent on this ABC variable. We have this question. Now first we have to make this table. How to make the table map? So you can do it in the previous case, in a similar same as previous case, that is like the. So you can make the map like this map from this example by this method also, or you can directly go to this. I am going to show you this thing, how to make directly. So here you can see that we have to first write A bar B bar. This is A bar B bar. Then when C0 F is 1, when C is 1 F is 1, that is F is always 1 whether C is 0 or 1. So you put directly 1. Instead of 1 you have to put C or C bar. Then here A bar B 0 0, when C is 0 F is 0 C is 1, that is it depends on C. Then here put A B bar, when C is 0 F is 1, when C is 1 F is 0, that is the function depends on C bar here, so put C bar. Then we have here don't care A B here, when C is 0 F is 0, when C is 1 F is don't care. So for this you can do like this, put C bar F or CF directly. Then here you can see C bar, here F is 0, so put here 0, or here F is put C and F is don't care, so put don't care here. Then this will be 0 or C don't care, so put C, it will be C don't care. So this function F depends on C don't care. So now you will get F by ordering these terms, A bar B bar, C or C bar, or A bar B C, or A B bar C bar, or A B C don't care. So we get the function here. Now from here we have to make the map. So this will be a 2 variable map. If in Kmap we will get, if you do this same example using Kmap, you will get 3 variable, but here we are getting only 2 variable map. So put A B 0 1 0 1. This is C or C bar, where A bar B bar comes A bar B bar, so this is C or C bar. Then A bar B this box, so you have to put C. Then A B bar, here we have C. Then A B, this is A B this box, so put C don't care. So likewise you may get sometimes say 4 variable, F depends on 4 variable. Then also this procedure is same, you can make this map, but in that case when F depends on 4 variable, then you will get a 3 variable map. So let's talk one example of making this map where F depends on 4 variable before going to the grouping of these variables, this map. So we have this example, I am going to give this example here now. So here we have this example, F depends on 4 variables A, B, C, D. These are mean terms, and these also depends on some don't care. So let's make the truth table first. A, B, C, D, F 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Then we have 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Let's put the function f here. This will be 1 1 1. T, we have a don't care here. 4 5 6, here we have don't care. 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 0 0. So we we get this truth table. So how to make this function? This same similar as 3 variable that I have shown you. Now this is same also here. F will be dependent. Here we get DS map entered variable. That is the variable which are entered into the map. These are called map entered variable, MEV. Here we get D as map entered variable. Now first write A bar, B bar, C bar. Here F is 1 when D is 0. F is also 1 when D is 1. That is, F does not depend on D. So directly put 1. Instead of 1, you have to write D or D bar. Then here we have A bar, B bar, C. When D is 0, F is 1, D is 1, F is don't care. So here you will get D bar and D bar D don't care. D bar D don't care. You can see how I get this thing by putting like this also, D bar F or DF. Now put the value of F here. F is 1. Here D and F is don't care. So you will get D bar and D don't care. So you can get this thing directly also. Now here it will be A, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar. F is 1 when this D is 1, D is 0, and F is 0 when D is 1. That is, it depends on D bar. Then we have A bar, B, C. Here you will get D bar don't care. You can see this thing also like this. D bar F, DF, put here D bar, the value of F is here don't care, or here D and F is 0, so you will get D bar don't care. Now come to here A, B bar, C bar. Here when D is 0, F is 0, when D is 1, F is 1, so it depends on D directly. Then A, B bar, C. When D is 1, F is 1, D is 1, F is also 1. In both the case F is 1. So directly put 1. Instead of 1, you have to write D or D bar. Here you will get A, B, C bar, then D bar, don't care, or D don't care. Then at last we get A, B, C. When D is 0, F is 0, D is 1. That is, it does not depend on D. It will always be 0. So put directly. Then by rolling this thing, we get the function F. It will be like this. This is A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D or D bar. Here we have A bar, B bar, C bar, D or D bar. Then A, B bar, C, D or D don't care. A, B bar, C, D bar or D don't care, or A bar, B, C bar, D bar, or A bar, B, C, D bar don't care. I am writing this thing with OR operator. A, B bar, C bar, D, then A, B, C, D or D bar, or A, B, C bar, D bar don't care, D don't care, or A, B, C and 0. Now from this we have to make that map. So here we will get a 3 variable map instead of 4 variable. If you do this thing with K map, you will get a 4 variable, but here we will get only 3 variable map. I am going to make this map now. Make a 3 variable map. A, B, C 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now when A, B bar, C bar comes, that is A, B bar, C bar, we have D or D bar. Then here D bar or D, don't care. Then when A, B, C bar comes, A bar, B, C bar, that is this. You have to put here D bar, here D bar, don't care. And here you have D, here you have D or D bar. Then this thing, this D or D bar, don't care, or D, don't care. Then you have 0. Now I'm going to group this thing. I'm going to show you how to group. This is the main step for variable entered map. Before going to group this variable, I want to tell something again, that these variables which are entered into the map, these variables are called map entered variable, map entered variable, or simply MEV. These are called map entered variable or simply MEV. Now there are two steps in looping this map entered variable, MEV. So I am going to give you the first step now. In step 1, you have to group the single MEV, that is the variable entered into the map which are alone. You have to group, you have to see for grouping this variable efficiently. As in Kmap, we group maximum number of 1 as possible. Here you also have to see how to group this single MEV with identical MEV, that is with similar variable as much as we can. So here we have this example. I want to clear this point with this example. Let's see what happened. This we will see. Now, as before, you have to make this one as C or C bar. You have to write this thing like this. Do not have to put this thing as 1. You have to make C or C bar. Let's take A here, B here. Now here we have single MEV C or C. We have two single MEV here. Now we have to group this single MEV only. We do not have to group this double MEV. That is, we do not want to group this thing. We want to group this single MEV with maximum number of similar MEV. We can we can group this thing with C here, or we can do like this also, but we cannot group C with C bar. That is similar as 1 or 0, grouping of 1 and 0, which is not possible in Kmap. This is also not possible here. We cannot group C with C bar. We can group C with C. Now let's make the group. Here we have C, here also we have C, so we can make a group here like this. Then we have also one C here, single MEV, so we also want to group. We can also do group like this. This is the first step. Once you have grouped the single MEVs one time, then you do not have to see all about this thing. Do not have to group this thing. Don't worry about it. Only group the single MEV. I want to make it clear with another one example here. That is it. Here we have C or C bar, C. Here we have 0 instead of 1. AP0101. Now here we have only two MEVs, single MEV. We do not have to worry about this thing. This is not single. These are only single variables. So group C with C bar here, and this C you can also make with this. Then we have to read this thing as in case of K-map. The step how we read this will include in step 2. So before going to step 2, that is how to read this thing, how to read the group variable, I want to give one more example how to group this MEVs, one 3 variable example. Let's see. So here we have one example of 3 variable VEM. D don't care, D bar don't care, D or D bar 0, D bar don't care, D don't care, D or D bar. Now first step was that you have to only see the single map entered variable, that is this thing is single and this thing is single. This thing is not single. This is single, but it is not necessary to group, because here this D has one don't care, so don't care about this don't care terms. Only you have to see this thing. This is also containing a don't care, so do not have to worry about this. Here we have only 2 single MEV, so we want to group only these 2. So how to group this thing? You see that you can group D with D here also or here also. You cannot group this with 0 as usual, but now you cannot group these 4 MEV with D, that is here we have D bar, so you cannot group these 4. You can group this with this T, or you can group this with this T. Now with which one you have to group? This is the main thing. When you get D or D bar near D or D don't care, you always have to group D with this D. You do not have to group like this. This will be wrong. This containing a don't care, so you do not have to care about this. You have to group D with this. Now for this D bar, you can group D with D don't care here. So we have 4 variables, so we can make a group of 4 variables. You can also make D bar with this D bar, but then we will have only 2 variables. We will make only a 2 variable group, so it is not efficient. So make efficiently with D bar like this. So here we have finished this grouping of these 2 variables with maximum number of identical MEVs. Then we will go to step 2. Now I am coming to step 2. How to read this grouped variable. So here we have D don't care or D bar don't care, D or D bar, D0, D bar. I'm going to show you by making some space here. It will be D, so make here one group. Let's put here the variable value also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Here we have A B C. This is an example. So Here you will get the minimize function as here D or D bar. Here we have C bar, so put C bar here. Then here A is changing from 0 to 1, so don't have to put. Then B is 1 1 here, so put B here. Then D. Or so here we have D bar. So group this thing as I have seen you, I have shown you. So put here. This is D, C or D bar. C or C is changing, so don't have to worry about C. Now here we have A bar. A bar is not changing, so put A bar. Then here this is D bar, so put directly D bar. So we have finished this thing. Then in step 2 we have to make one more table, one more map again with the given rules. Now how to make it, you see. So we have something here also. It is not complete. With the second table it will be completed. So in the rules it is given that when you get D don't care or D bar don't care in the second table, it will become automatically 0, so put here 0. Then in the rule 3 you can see here it is given as 1. I am going to show you the book here. 1 will become 1. 1 means this is D or D bar. I have told you that you have to write 1 as D or D bar. So D or D bar will become 1 if not completely covered, or it will become don't care if it is completely covered, or look with both MEV and MEV bar. So here we see that this 1 is completely covered, that is the group D bar is covering D bar here, and this D bar is covered with this D, so it is completely covered. So it will become don't care if completely covered according to this rule. So it will become don't care here, as it is completely covered. Then this is also completely covered. This is a single MEV. This single MEV will become 0 also according to the first rule. This is the first rule. Replace MEV or MEV bar with 0 when it is completely covered. It is given here. So it will become also 0. This 0 is always 0. Then this don't care. This D bar will also become 0 according to the first rule. Then D bar don't care. This is also completely covered, and it will become 0 according to the rule number 4. Here you can see MEV don't care or MEV bar don't care, it will become 0. So put here 0. Then we have this thing. This will be also become 0 according to rule number 4. So put here 0. It is not covered, you can see. So it will become 1 in the next step according to rule number 4. 1 will become 1 if not completely covered. So and it will become don't care if completely covered, but here it is not covered at all, so it will become 1 according to rule number 1. This is all about step number 4. So here we become 1. Then again you have to group this one as much as you can do efficiently. So group this thing. So it will be, we have to group this thing alone because we do not have 1 here. So directly put group this thing, and you will get C C, this is C, A, B we have, so it will be C, then A, and this is B bar. So with this we have complete the step 2 also, and also the answer we have finished. This is the simplified function. Before going to example 2, I want to clear the step 2 once again. Here you can see that replace once all single MEV entries have been covered. Read the map according to the following rules. One single MEV after covering, you have to follow this rule. MEV and MEV bar will become 0. That is, MEV means any variable which we have in the map. That is, in the last example here we have D, in the last example we have D, and this is called MEV or MEV bar, that is D bar. In the last example it will be. So this. The second rule in step 2 is this: 0 will be replaced by 0 and don't care will be replaced by don't care in the step 2. That is, after making the table and grouping variables, then you will get step 2, and in step 2 you have to do this thing. That is, in this step, after grouping this thing, you get 1. That is, here, this is step 2. Again, rule number 3 we have 1 will be replaced by 1, that is D or D bar will be replaced by 1, or it may be C or C bar, A or A bar also, but this thing will be equal to 1 or don't care if not completely covered. That is, if we have this thing like this and it is completely covered, say like this, then it will become don't care in this step 2. Similarly, we have rule number 4 here also. MEV don't care or MEV don't care and MEV bar don't care will be replaced by 0. That is, MEV means C, MEV don't care means, let's say, C don't care or D don't care. It may be here it may be C bar don't care, D bar don't care. This thing, it will become 0 in step 2. Then we have rule 5 here. MEV or MEV bar don't care, this will become 1, or MEV bar or MEV bar don't care, it will become 1 or don't care according to this, if not covered at all, or if just don't care is covered. If this term is covered, then it will become 1, or if this term is covered, this is necessary variable. Here this is called necessary variable. Don't care containing term is not called as necessary. These are only the necessary where we do not have don't care. So this term is covered, if completely covered, it is completely covered, then this will become 0, or if the necessary term is covered just, that is the term which do not have don't care, if this is covered, then it will become don't care, otherwise 1. So these are the steps. Now I am going to take one example again with C variable. So this is the example. You will get this map after reading the truth table given in the question. Now I am going to show you the grouping method here, and the grouping method, that is step 1, and after grouping step 2 I will show. Here the step 1 was that we have to cover only the single MEV. So which are the single MEV here? So here we have, this one is single MEV, this one is also single MEV. These are not single MEVs, these are double, and this is not single MEV because it has don't care. Only this one and this one are the single MEV. Now we have to group
Now these are the two single MEVs. So now this D we can cover with this D don't care, or we can cover it with this D also. Now which one we have to take? This is the point. You see that when we get these two possibilities, then we always have to cover with this D. We do not have to go through this D don't care. Always you come to this thing, that is it is 1 actually. Always come to this one, D or D bar. The term where you get D bar, you come to that variable. Now you cover this, so you will get the function f. Here this is A bar B and it will be D. Or now here you see we have one another MEV this, so we can cover it. We cannot cover with this thing, that is it is D bar but it is D, so we cannot cover. We can cover this D bar with this with 4. We can do this group, maximum possible D bar. So we get from here what? It will be C and D bar, or, and here we have also something. We will get this thing in the step 2. So here step 2 comes. This is step 1 all about. Now here in step 2 you have to make the table again, the map again. Here you see this 0 will be replaced by 0 again. This D is covered, so it will be 0. This is not covered or covered, don't care about this, it will always become 0 according to step rule number 4 in step 2. This is always 0. This will also be 0. You can see in the rules, this will also be 0. This here you can see D or D bar, it is completely covered. That is this D is covered in this group, and this D bar is covered with this group, this large group. So this completely covered. When this is completely covered, and according to rule number 3, it will become don't care. You can see here 1 means here D or D bar, it will become don't care if completely covered. That is loop with both the MEV and MEV bar. Here MEV is D, MEV bar is D bar, so it is completely covered, so it will become don't care. And this is not completely covered, so it will become 1. Now in step 2 you have to group this one again. This is the only possibility we covered. So here it will be, this is A, B, C, so it will be C, and this is sending, so A is not sending, so CA bar. So this is the complete answer for this. One more example, it is 2 variable only. Then I will go to a 4 variable map, a large map. C bar 0. You can get this map by reading the truth table, as I have told you before at the beginning of the lecture. Now how to cover it? Here we have 2 MEV, so we have single MEV, and we have to cover this only. There is no other possibility except this. Here also you can do it like this. So F will be what? It will be here, this will be what? It is A bar and C, or here this is C and B and C. This is B and this is C. So B and C, or we have one another value here. We will get this thing in step 2. So here we have step 2 now. 0, this is 0, this will become also 0. This is not completely covered, so according to rule number 3 in step 2, it will become 1. Here you have this. If not completely covered, it will be 1. Now group this thing. A, B. So here it will be B and A bar or A, B bar. So this is the complete answer. Now I am going to take one example containing a 4 variable map. So here we have this example, 4 variable VEM. This you can get this thing from the question. First you have to make that truth table, then you will get this thing. I have told you how to get this. Now I will show you how to group. That is in step, and that is step number 1. So first in step number 1 you have to select the single MAV. What are single MAV here? This is one single MAV. This is also a single MAV. This one is also a single MAV. This is also a single MAV. These are not single MAV. As I have told you, it contains a don't care, and this is, you can see directly, this is not single, they are double. This is 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 single MAV here. Now we have to try to group this MAV efficiently. That is, we have to make as much as we can do a large group. We have to make a large group with these single MAVs. So here you can see we can group this E with don't care and this. So we can make a group something like this, where you can also see that E can be covered with this E, this E, this E, don't care. That is, we can make a group of 4 variables. So it will be something like this. If you do E with if you do group E with don't care, then it will be a 2 variable group, so it will not be efficient. So we make a group of 4 variables. Now from here you can read the map. First it will be what? This will be A bar, B bar and E. Or now we have covered this single MAV. Now come to the second MAV here. Here we can cover, so we can cover this E with this E bar, this E bar with this E bar, and no other possibility. We cannot cover this. We cannot cover this with this because it is E, but it is E bar. So only possibility is this. From here we can get one value here. This will be C bar, D bar and this is A. C bar, D bar, E bar, A bar and E bar. So not A bar, it will be A. Alright. So C bar, D bar, A, E bar. Alright, this is A, not A bar. Now we have covered this thing, this single MAV, this single MAV. Then come to the next we have to come to this single MAV. Here how can I cover it? Now for this single MAV we have 2 options. We can cover this with this, or we can cover this with this. Now as I have told you, always do like this. Do not cover with this thing. It contains a don't care. Don't worry about. If you do not have this option, if there is no E, then you can cover. But here we have E and E bar, so we go to this way. We don't come this way. So with this we have covered this also. From here we get another value here. It will be C bar and here A, B, E. C bar, A, B, E. Or now we have also covered this. Then come to the next. Here we have, now we have to cover this thing. How to cover this variable? You can see that we can cover E bar, E bar, E bar and don't care. with 4 variable, it will be efficient. We can cover also like this, but we have E bar here also, so make a larger group as you can do. So make this group, you will get from here this C is sending, D is not sending, so D bar, then here sending, B is not sending, it will be B and E bar. So we get here. So we have covered this thing also. Now step 1 is finished, that is because we do not have single MEV here, so step 1 is finished. Now I will go to step number 2. For step 2, we have to make the table again. Once again, we will get something more here in step 2. Now this CDA is 0001 1110 0 01 1110. Now according to our rules, this will become 0, this don't care will remain as don't care. You can see this rules, this don't care will remain as don't care. Now this is completely covered, this E is covered with this E and this E bar is covered with this E bar, so it is completely covered. When it is completely covered, then it will become don't care. Then this is E, but it is covered, so it will be 0. It is not, it is MEV or MEV don't care. Here you can see MEV or MEV don't care. MEV bar, alright, MEV or MEV bar don't care. This is MEV or MEV bar, this is entered variable, bar don't care, so it will become 1 if not covered at all, or if just don't care is covered, and if completely covered or if just the necessary term is covered, then it will become don't care. Now here you can see this is the necessary term. This is not necessary term because it contains a don't care, so here necessary term is covered. So according to this rule, the necessary term is covered, so it will be don't care. It will become don't care. We make it don't care now. Now here it is 0. This is 0, it will be this 0. It is not completely covered, MEV or MEV bar. According to rule number 3, it will become 1. It will become 0. According to rule number 4, here you can see MEV don't care and MEV bar don't care is 0. Here this is MEV don't care. MEV don't care, it will become 0. This will also become 0. It will become 1 as it is not covered at all. According to rule number 3, this is E or E bar, it will become 1 if not completely covered. So it will become 1, 0, 0, it will become 1. Here you can see this is MEV bar don't care, MEV bar or MEV don't care, it will become 1 if not completely covered. If not covered at all, here you can see this is MEV bar. Here it is not necessary term, it is the necessary term, but it is not the necessary term, but it is covered. That is necessary term is not covered, so it will become, if covered or if the necessary term is covered, it will become 1, as here just don't care is covered. Here don't care is covered, so it will become 1. 1. So now we have to make this group. How to cover efficiently, we have to see here. We can cover it like this, and this can cover this one. We'll cover with this. From this we will get here 2 terms, so it will be what? This will be what? This will be CD. These are sending, so it will be C and D, and it will be C D bar, C D bar, A bar, C D bar, A bar. Alright, I think something is wrong. Yes, it will be 0 0, this B is not changing, B bar is not changing, so here we have one B bar also. So with this we have complete this example also. So like this you can do for 3 variable, 2 variable, 4 variable, all these maps. At last I want to show one more example with 3 variable. This is my last example. So this is the last example. You can get this thing from the truth table. Now I will show the step for covering the single MAVs, that is step number 1. What are the single MAV here? This is not single, this is also not single, these are not, this is only one here, this is only the single MAV. This is not single because it contains one don't care. Now only we have to cover this efficiently. How to cover? You can see we have D bar here, don't care here, D bar here. So we can make a group of 4 variable like this. So we get here F is equal to what? This is not changing, A is not changing, so A and D bar. Directly put D bar here, A, D bar. And with this we have completed step number 1. Then we will get something here in step number 2. Make the table again. A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. According to rule number or rules of the second step number 2, it will become 0, it will become 1. It is not covered at all, it will become 1. You can see in step number 2 rules, it will become 1 according to rule number 5, step 2. Not only the don't care term is covered here, not the necessary term. It is the necessary term here, but it is not covered, so it will become 1. Here you can see, and here it is MEV or MEV bar don't care. MEV or MEV bar don't care, it will become 1 if not covered at all, or if just don't care is covered. Here we have don't care is covered, so it will become 1. It will become don't care, will remain as don't care. It is not covered completely because this D bar is covering this D bar only, not covering this. We can make this go also like this. This is not the line, only this is the correct here. So it will become 1, not covered at all, only D bar is covered. It will become 0, 0, D bar or D don't care. This is step number 5. According to it will become 1, not covered at all. It is not covered at all, so it will become 1. Now we will have to group these ones as much as we can do efficiently. So we can make a group of 1 here and 1 here, and we will get from here what? It will be C bar. It is changing, it is not changing, B is not changing here, C bar B, and or here it is C, it is changing, it is not changing, B bar. So here we have F is equal to A D bar or C bar B or C B bar. So we have complete this function also. This is the simplified version. With this I have complete this example and my lecture also. Thank you.